pyramid structure, atrium tent, exhibition tent, warehouse tent, event tent, double-deck tent, wedding tent, swimming pool tent, tennis court tent, hotel tent. Founded in 2001, KENTEN Events Group Ltd has over 23 years experience in the temporary and semi-permanent tent industry. KENTEN is the tent supplier for 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, and 2022 Beijing Olympic Winter Games, and Hangzhou Asian Games 2023. KENTEN products are exported to over 120 countries, with a dedicated branch in the United States providing localized support by a team of professionals. KENTEN specializes in manufacturing tents in various designs and shapes, including structure tents, warehouse tents, sports tents, dome tents, atrium tent, etc. KENTEN structure wonderful outdoor, KENTEN produced, superior quality.